Poor man's comfort food, spooky season edition. First things first, we need a litter box. And a little scoopy, nothing fancy. German chocolate and white cake. 2 vanilla puddings. If you know what I'm doing, you know exactly what these are for. These are better than regular Oreos. And milk and liquid chickens. Make the cakes following the instructions. Like so. And these will cook differently, so you gotta watch them. Daddy chill. Meanwhile, in the bowl of justice, to give it the whippy business. Ninja the pack of Oreos. Mix a 1/4 cup of your crumbs with some food coloring, green, and mix it like so. In your big fat bowl, crumble your cakes. And then mix in the pudding. And mix in some of your crumbers. Into the litter box you go. Slap in the best, man. Melt some of your toot poots. And then roll them and put them in your litter box. Like so. And now we add the rest of the crumbs. And then some green ones everywhere. Melt a couple more toots. And for the poop de gras, stick one on the side, because you know those cats are gross. It's kind of scary how gross this looks. Kitten, did you do this? Guess we gotta scoop the poop. It looks gross, but it's delicious.